Elites by Mary Lou is about Adelina Amaturo, who lives in Dalia, Caneccia. When the country was hit by the blood fever, all the infected adults died. The infected children survived and recovered from the sickness with strange markings, and some of them had otherworldly powers. They called themselves the Young Elites. The fever killed Adelina's mother and left Adelina marked, a malfeto. Strangely, her sister, Violetta, remained pure. Adelina's markings turned her father abusive as he tried to awaken a power inside of her. It twisted Adelina to the point in which she runs away from home at the tender age of 16 to Estencia. She discovers her own power and is recruited by the Dagger Society, a clan of young elites. She hones her power and fights for the one she loves. My favorite part is when Adelina is training with Enzo, the leader of the Dagger Society. She learns how to make the illusions realistic, how to add color, and how to trick other senses. I would recommend this book because it has a good pace, and the thoughts of mutiny give it a thrill. I feel like readers can relate to Adelina because she has this dark side of her that she's always warring with, and I think that everyone else also has that dark side.